everybody! Today I'm going to demonstrate you quite unusual and deep effect massage. Usual, I adapted it to be a self-massage. Today we are going to work over your periosteum. Periosteum is the connective tissue that surrounds your bone. It gives nutrients, protects and regenerates your bone structures. Contains capillaries, nerves and collagen tissues. It attaches muscles and ligaments to the bones. Periosteum contains in itself an enormous amount of nerve endings. When we affect it, we affect the nervous system. As a result, you get muscles relaxed, better blood circulation and more collagen tissues, which makes bones of your skull more elastic and prevents them from shrinking. So let's start today's massage. You are going to work over specific points, staying in each point for 1 to 2 seconds. During this massage, don't move your skin. During this massage, you're going to cover all parts of your skull. This massage might look similar to a Roses massage. However, in this technique, you don't move your scalp away from your skull, but influence your periosteum in specific points. Massaging your periosteum in deep motions. It might look like I move my skin, however, it is not true. You just slightly vibrate your fingers in one specific point. Move on to your forehead. Now move on to your face. You are going to work along the massage lines. Any bone protrusion should be worked on from 3 different sides, from top of it, from the corner of it, and from the bottom of it. Working with your eye socket, cheekbone, and jawline. The end of any of your movement should be along the lymphatic flow, either under your ear or behind your ear. So start off working with one finger along the outer side of the eyebrow ridge. And when you reach the end of your eyebrow, in vibrating motions, move your fingers to the temple and along the lymphatic flow. After that, work along the edge of the eye socket, right along the eyebrow ridge. Now work with the inner side of the eyebrow socket's protrusion, doing it slowly and carefully. And now it's time to move on to the lower side of the eye socket. And since this zone is quite delicate, we are not working on the inner side of the eye socket this time. Therefore, start with the outer side of the eye socket. And now move on to the inner corner of the eye socket. And now work on the protrusion of the cheekbone. With two of your fingers, put pressure on the outer side of your cheekbone. Then find corner of your cheekbone and work specifically with it. Now put your thumb under your cheekbone and influence your periosteum from the inner side of the cheekbone. Now start working with the protrusion of your lower jaw. Starting from the outer corner, massage your jaw in pointing motion, influencing very deeply. Move on to the side of your lower jaw. Here it is more convenient to work with your thumb. Now move on to the inner corner of your lower jaw's periosteum. With your thumb, put pressure on the inner side. And now you can compare two sides of your face to see how much the side that you worked with has opened up. And now proceed to working with the other side of your face. Now that you have worked with the other side of your face, you can see how it evened out your face. This massage technique is very deep and effective. Many osteopaths use methods of affecting periosteum in their practice, mainly to even out the skull bones. In this video, we just use the techniques that will help you preserve your youth. This massage must be done over dry skin without using any face cream or oil, in order to make the effect as exact as possible. You should do this massage once or twice a week. This technique is good for everybody. It fits for people with a thin layer of subcutaneous fat. If you found this video interesting, then give it a thumbs up since it helps promotion of our channel. Comment below this video how did you like this massage technique.